On the side, it's not.
I'm not purposely not going way under. But she's beautiful. And she touched her.
But it's snuggle with me and says, I love you. I'm still handshake one. I'm using a powder formula.
Got a single W in my head mail, single Panama mail, and that's my so everything else has to go. Got rid of that. Got some umbrella hands. I got these hands. They're so quiet.
Step up. Right. That's
Don't get into that. Of 06. Never reworked. So he is old. He's the reason these birds are like they are. So he is older. He is old. He is talking about more than he was making 100.
So in that grouping are the Hans, because they're the smallest. The next size is the Noble, just looks like exactly like a Hans, but it's about an inch bigger. And then the next grouping is the regular size, and the smallest of them is the military bird, which is a green bird, very stocky build, and they're very stubborn, but they love to move with great intensity.
His name is Maddie. He's 4 years old. Congo African Gray. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. He's puffing up. What are you doing? He's asking, what are you doing over there? Is that all right, Dad? Is that all right? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
we can leave in her.
Some and everything.
Ready? Now, he says on the first page,
What is his name?
Maddie.
Maddie? Is it a girl?
No, it's a boy.
Boy is what I thought.
He's named after F.E. Joseph Eddie Sermonic, the young man that wrote the Heartthrob series, and he died of muscular dystrophy. He's the one that wrote books with Jimmy Carter. Incredible spirit.
That's a pretty one right there.
What did you guys get in?
Oh, she got one. Like that one? Yeah, that's a pretty one. Want to show it, Dad.
That's the only one I got
Hey, Caddy.
Oh, she will like that.
Yes, she does. Caddy's my baby. She goes on the back of my arms. She knows a true cat lover.
Right, isn't this not turned into a yo-yo? It looks flat.
Like you have an indicates that it's a female. I just sold her brother, which indicated it was a male, but at 3 months even the magnet is, you know, it gives you an idea.
They're awful pretty, though.
Today we're going to get the white ones. Hold on. Today we're going to get the white ones, and we're going to get your whole show ready, okay? And when your show is ready, then if you still want black birds in your show, then we'll put black birds in your show, okay? But look at those pretty birds. Look at him. He's lying so far back, I think he's going to fall over. What are you guys doing, you crazy birdies?